Hey guys, welcome back to Reviews and How-Tos. I'm Tyler. Today we're going to be checking out this impact wrench, and SEESII was nice enough to send this over to us for us to check out. Got a brushless motor in there. That's always nice. Everything you see is what you were going to get. You're going to get 2 batteries. You're going to get your battery charger. You're going to get 4 of these right here. This one here is 21. This one here is 24. The socket right here is 19. And this one is 17. You're also going to get an extension as well. All right, so my vehicle requires a 21 millimeter. We're gonna go ahead and put it on here. Nice firm push on there. And then take our battery and slide it on as well. All right, let's go ahead and try this out. And boom, right there we go. Takes it off with no problem. Gonna go ahead and put that back on. Try not and over tighten it. Do it by hand at first so that we don't strip anything. And there we go, it is on. So overall, great little product right here from SEESII. Go ahead and check it out.